What's up, everyone? In this video, I want to walk you through a SPX trade I took today. You could have taken this trade trading SPY options or ES futures. But before we get started, as always, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss on any upcoming videos. Let's get right into this trade. Right here's where we entered puts. I really like this level because we had resistance up here. We had a nice sell-off here. I was looking for some orders to be left behind in this area. As you can see, a nice red candle down. What happens when we have them quick moves? A lot of times there will be orders left behind in that area. I wanted to see us come back up, retest it. I wanted to see volume and price action confirm. My first stab was right here at the bottom. When we come up, retested this area here. I did leave room to add in case we tested this resistance, which we did not. What I really liked about this candle here, as you can see, sellers had control. They pulled it way back down, nice long wick up. We come over and look at volume on SPY while watching this. The second 5-minute candle, huge increase in buying volume, right? This big candle here. The next candle, a nice noticeable decrease in buying volume. Then we pushed on up. This is where we entered over here. With puts, didn't really see a huge increase in buying volume, basically stayed flat. And that's what you want to see. Then the sellers came into the market, came down here. I was trading SPX options today, but like I said before, you could have traded SPY or ES futures based off this level. My final price target was right here at prior day close. I told everyone, I said, I want to see it push down and get my final sell in here. We did trim on the way down. Contract went from like 770 to well over 1,000 per contract. Really nice trade. Did exactly what we wanted it to do. The only regret I have is not getting my full size ad, which is okay. I'm happy with the win. It's not been my best week. I didn't take any trades that I can remember on Monday. Yesterday, I took a losing trade. I lost right at $1,000 on a SPY trade. Today, I made up that loss, then some. I don't like to think like that, like I'm trying to make up losses, but I made over $1,000 on this trade. Worked out nicely. You're probably wondering, like, how can you trade ES futures based off SPX or SPY levels? Let's just take a look at ES while we're here. Just real quick. Right here is the same entry we had on SPX. This is ES futures. And it moves the exact same, right? Would have worked out beautifully either way. A lot of times I will trade ES while I'm trading SPX or SPY options. I typically trade SPY more. For those that you that have been trading with me for a while know. Gotta be honest, some SPX contracts moved beautifully. Really impressed by the way they moved. I'm trying to trade SPX more because of the tax advantages. I do not like the spreads though, and as fast as it moved in our favor, that's how quickly it can get away from you. I have to kind of just focus on charts and not the premiums while trading SPX. Keeps the emotions under control. And that's all I have for this video. Hopefully my thought process, these little tips help you all out. Be sure, if you haven't already, hit that thumbs up button. It really, really helps me out. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.